What if I told you that a single network of ancient trails connected the world, influencing everything from the fall of empires to the spread of religions? This is the Silk Road, the lifeline of ancient civilization. Stay tuned as we unveil its untold secrets.
Stretching over 7,000 miles, from the bustling markets of China to the shores of the Mediterranean, the Silk Road was more than just a trade route. It was a lifeline, connecting cultures, religions, and ideas, shaping the world as we know it today. Welcome to the story of the Silk Road, an ancient network that transcended borders and time. The Silk Road's origins date back over 2,000 years to the Han Dynasty of China. It began as a series of small trading paths, eventually evolving into a network spanning continents. At its heart was silk, a fabric so prized it became synonymous with wealth and prestige. But the Silk Road carried much more than silk. It carried the essence of human connection.
Silk production was a closely guarded secret in ancient China. For centuries, it was illegal to export silkworms or their eggs. This exclusivity made Chinese silk incredibly valuable in distant lands.
The journey along the Silk Road was perilous. Traders braved harsh deserts, freezing mountain passes, and the constant threat of bandits. Yet these challenges didn't deter them. They formed caravans, banding together for safety and survival. Along the way, cities like Samarkand, Kashgar, and Palmyra became vital hubs of commerce and culture. These were places where goods were exchanged, languages mixed, and ideas flourished. The Silk Road was not just a highway for goods, it was a superhighway for ideas. Buddhism traveled from India to China, Islam spread to Central Asia, and Greek philosophy found its way to the East. The exchange of knowledge and culture shaped civilizations in profound ways.
Without the Silk Road, we wouldn't see the fusion of art, science, and religion that we associate with the medieval world. It's a testament to humanity's innate desire to connect and share.
As empires rose and fell, so did the fortunes of the Silk Road. The advent of maritime trade in the 15th century dealt a significant blow to overland routes. Yet, its legacy endured, shaping the modern world in ways we often take for granted. Today, the spirit of the Silk Road lives on in the globalized economy, reminding us of the ancient paths that connected humanity. The Silk Road was more than a network of trade. It was a bridge between worlds, a symbol of humanity's resilience and ingenuity. Its stories remind us that no matter how far apart we may seem, we are always connected.